this demo right here is for the Samco PC 1100 plasma cleaner. Here's the front panel. Basically you have your controller, EMO, on off for the system. You got a buzzard right here, door latch, of course the whole door handle. Down below we have is basically a step down transformer for this thing to make it have 480. I kind of bypassed it and I'm running 208 to the system right now. Here is the side view. Up top here we have the manuals. Here's the side. Here's the bottom. As you can see, they have the transformer, but I actually have it ran through this EMO box cutoff switch, and then I have it just bypass the transformer to run 208. Back here we have the dry pump, and then you got the back of the system. We have interconnects. Here's your cables that interconnect from the top to the bottom for the power supply, generator, transformer. Then you got your vents, your vacuum lines, and over here is you got your two gas inputs here, and then you got your compressed air to run your valves and everything right here. And you got your couple connectors there, and then you have your main light right here. Okay, this thing does run, is set up for argon and nitrogen, or I'm sorry, oxygen and nitrogen. I have argon running to it just to create the plasma. Here's the back side from the other side of it. Now I'm going to show you how to run it. Oh, other thing too, here's inside the chambers. So you can see there's several shelves. So you can arrange them any way you want. These made for your plasma, for your etch. And the two outer ones are just a shield. So I'm going to close this up, and then we're going to go to this main control screen. The main thing about this main control screen is I have it set up in manual and maintenance mode. I will tell you the password or email you the password to get into maintenance. See if I can get this so you can see it. Okay, so this is the main screen. I'm going to go to the next screen. This basically right here is your whole alarm screen. Tells you all your limits. The next one is for your gas settings and your RF settings and your back pressure setting. Next screen is to go ahead and if you want to run it manually. This is what we're going to do right now is we got the dry pump on. I'm going to go ahead and turn or open the roughing valve. And here's your monitor here that monitors your vacuum pressure. This right here is your dry pump. Then you got your RF generator, and you got your gas valve 1, gas valve 2. So what we'll do is basically waiting now for your back pressure or your base pressure to get down to 5 millitorr. Once it gets down to 5 millitorr, I can go ahead and open up the gas valve and basically run a process. It's easier for me to run this in manual mode than to run a whole process, just so I can show you that everything is functioning properly. Okay, now it's down to 5. I can hit the gas. As you can see, I got it at 100 SCCM, and it's right now at that setting right here on the monitor. Okay, I got the RF generator set at 200 watts. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, my forward is 198, my reflective is 0. I'm going to go over to the chamber. As you can see, we got the plasma in there, and it is etching. So then I can go ahead and just turn this off. Turn that off, and then go ahead and do the vent. And now you can see that the pressure is coming up on here, and you should start hearing the gas being introduced in the chamber and kind of push open the door a little bit. This thing already has an automatic matching network that tunes to the lowest reflective possible. And here you go. As you can see, the alarm is going off to say that the door is not closed. You can just hit reset. Maybe I gotta close it, and then I'll hit reset. There you go. And basically that's your whole things. Here's your offsets to allow, you know, what's allowed to run and what's not. And then you got your modes where you can go in auto and go ahead and start it up and have it run a process. And that is the end of the demo.